The costs of data exposure are astronomical. With all the threats your organization faces, it's irresponsible and dangerous not to encrypt communications. Still, most organizations overlook communication safety because it takes time, and time is money. The back-and-forth process of sharing public keys and decrypting with private ones is beyond tedious. It disrupts workflows. Today, the only way to ensure protection is to make encryption automatic with Conclave. Conclave manages all the encryption and decryption behind the scenes, allowing you the freedom to communicate simply and safely. The technology uses RSA key exchange and symmetric and asymmetric hybrid encryption so that nothing moves without protection. Your keys are always in your control, so no one unauthorized can read your communications, not even us. Your users can protect their data and still access it across devices and use it with services like Dropbox, SharePoint, and more. The process is automatic and invisible, so there's no excuse for exposing sensitive information. Invest time in your work, not your encryption. To learn more, reach out to Dexter Edward today.